Hi. The length of a professor's class has a continuous uniform distribution between 60 minutes and 90 minutes. If one such class is randomly selected, find the probability that the class is less than 80.6 minutes. So to find the probability the class is less than 86 minutes, we have to find the area under the curve that corresponds to the area that's along the x-axis less than 80.6. So here's like 80.6 right here. It's about right here between 80 and 81. We have to find the area under the curve, and the curve really is a straight line here that is less than that 80.6. So it's the area of this rectangle. To find the area of this rectangle, we must find the equation is base times height. So we have to calculate the base, and we also have to calculate the height. I'm going to switch and look. Okay, the base is how we calculate it is like the endpoints here, and that's the confusing part about this problem, is that the numbers here are so small it looks like it's at 80. So if I forget, this base here is actually not at 80 or not at 81, but it's at 80.6. That's the end point here. That's where the rectangle is stopping. And then on the other side, it's stopping at 60. So to find the base, I have to do 80.6 minus 60. To find the height of the rectangle, we have to think about the whole uniform distribution. So over the entire uniform distribution, the area of this big rectangle has to be one whole. So that means that the length of the base of the entire, the base here is the length over the entire distribution, uniform distribution. So this is the entire, the length, or this is a span from 60 to 90 of the entire uniform distribution. So this is the number, that's the base of the large rectangle. So to find that, you do 90 minus 60, and that gives us 30. And then the height then has to just be 1 over 30. And if it is now the base of this large rectangle, this is the rectangle spanning the whole distribution. And remember, it has to have an area of 1. So the base of that distribution would be 30, or 90 minus 60 is 30, and then the height would be 1 over 30. So when we multiply that out, it would be 30 over 30, or that means 30 divided by 30, which would equal 1 whole, which would be correct. That the area of the entire distribution is 1 whole, which it needs to be. So 1/30 is the correct height for this entire rectangle. So it also happens to be the height of our blue shaded rectangle as well. So our height that we need, this is the shaded area, by the way. We're really focused on the area of the shaded area. 1/30. And then now we just calculate whatever 80.6 minus 60. But if it's 20.6, times by 1/30 is 0.866 or 0.867. The actual number is 66, and the sixes go, well, sixes probably go on forever. But if I round to 4 decimal places as they want, they say, oh, round answer to at least 4 decimal places. So I'll just do 4 decimal places. 8, 6, and then because this is a 6 as well, and it's 5 or greater, I would add 1 to the 6 and get 7. So that's our final answer here, 0.6867. Thanks for watching.